Good morning, Slime Pack, Pack Nation, Slime Pack Nation. Let's sit this up here. Get ready to give y'all a cold start real quick. Look at them colors and the light. Slime Nation, listen, I got the night off of work, so I'm gonna try to record at least about 3 or 4 videos a day. I don't know which video this right here gonna land on, but there's somebody coming up, and it is my cousin.
Fresh out the clock.
So back to what I was saying before I was interrupted. I don't know which video this clip gonna be on because I got so much going on today. Anytime I have a day off, I try to line up so much stuff so I can get as much content out of a day that I can. Y'all might get some personal vlogging in this video. I gotta head to Dodge. Also, the car club and other car club members, we are meeting up at the track, so y'all might get some track content. More than likely, it won't be in this video, but be expecting it within the next 2 videos. I'm sure y'all know, just in case some of y'all don't know, I got a giveaway going on. Make sure y'all check my last video. Matter of fact, I'm about to post up a picture. As y'all can see, those are the rules to qualify for the giveaway. You can see I do have on some of my Slime Pack merch. So make sure y'all go to slimepack.store to actually enter into the giveaway. You do have to be a subscriber. You do have to like, comment, and watch my videos. But most important thing, you have to make a purchase on slimepack.store to get entered into the giveaway, because your name will be in a database and it will randomly select somebody as the winner on its own. It's not going to be me, it's going to be a database. So make sure y'all do that second step. So a lot of y'all say y'all entered in, but you ain't did the second step. I can see the orders. So yeah, you have to do that to apply. That's the most important step. But I'm not going to prolong this intro out any longer. Make sure y'all like this video, drop a green emoji. When the video is over with, come back and leave an extra comment. And if you ain't subscribed already, then stop playing with slime. Look at him coming out vlogging.
Yo, what's good?
What's up?
What's due? Stop playing with slime. You already know.
And I got the merch on. Hey, it might as well be. Hold on, wait, you go ahead and shout out. Y'all, here go Sound. I was waiting for him to get done with business.
Smooth Hemi _392. Smooth Nation stand up. It's only up from here. Make sure y'all go like, comment, subscribe to the channel. It's only up, man. Make sure y'all go subscribe to her channel too. Slime.
You telling you doing a giveaway?
Yeah, at 500 subscribers, I'm doing a giveaway. So I haven't. That's a skyline. But at 500 subscribers, I'm doing a giveaway. So make sure y'all go run that subscriber up, because it's only up. It's only up.
Get on, y'all.
Hey.
You going to the track like that?
Yeah, I'm going to the track like. Nah, I might switch up my fist. I don't know.
Might switch it up.
I might.
Cool, cool. What's up? You a subscriber to both channels?
Yep, subscriber. Krista Jean, Kristagene. Follow that on Instagram, YouTube coming soon. Hit Slime Pack up, man. Slime Pack Nation, whatever you want to call it.
Right.
Hey, by the way, I like slime.
You do?
Yeah, I like slime.
Slime ball, okay. I've been
good.
getting so many names, it's like I don't know what to pick.
Yeah,
but yeah, tell them what you just got.
Man, look. This my baby right here. This is my shout out to Sam, the best salesman in the world, man. Look at him.
Yes, sir.
I gave you that title.
Sir.
I gave you that title.
Hey, Slime put me on for real. Like she said, yo, go hit up Sam.
Where my cut at, Sam?
Hey,
Where my
Give me
cut?
that cup, man.
I got you. You know I got you. Come on, man.
Yeah, this is my new baby right here. Yeah, hell raising.
That's what I got here raising.
Yeah. I like it. I like it a lot. They're trying to give up my car.
Hey, you got
yesterday,
to peep
man.
the tire shine too, yo.
Okay.
Peep the tire shine. That thing.
There go that
awesome.
sun.
You said you're gonna leave the yellow bumper guards on too, right?
Man, see, contrary to popular belief, yeah, I will.
It's
I
okay
might-
to leave.
I might
It's
leave
okay
it
to leave them on the challenges, but on the chargers, it scratches it up.
Yeah, scratches the paint.
See that right there is plastic.
Right, so I ain't too much worried about it. I think it gives it a nice little touch.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's my baby, y'all.
You got any plans for it so far?
Ooh, I might get that wrap done.
Already.
I might get a wrap done.
You gonna cut them mids out?
Yeah. Oh, definitely.
Wait, hold on. How you gonna miss out on the first thing? You gotta throw some 10 on here too.
Hey,
Come on now, that's the first thing. Hey, you can't. That's the first thing I'm doing.
Man, listen. Yeah. I got so much I want to do, but I'm new to the car scene, you know, so I'm like, I'm excited. Mopar, baby.
Hey, Mopar, no car.
You already know Mopar.
Hey, shout out to Mopar, Brody.
Yeah.
Mopar, baby.
Mopar, baby.
Hey, so go ahead and shout your Instagram out one more time.
Krista Jean, KRISTAGENE. I'm like the hottest photographer in the 9 Dom, so hit me up, follow that Instagram. Got some nice things coming for y'all soon. So yeah, I know that was kind of cheesy, but
Hey, it is what it is.
shout out to Sam. Yo, follow him too at Smooth Hemi
Talk to him.
_ 392.
You already know.
So I'm here at Dodge, Crown Dodge in Fayetteville, and I come inside. They finally got something that look decent in here. Not saying that this is just decent, but better than what they've been having in here. Wide body, Scatpack Challenger. I think it's brand new, 2021. What they asking for? 57. What a rebate at? I don't even see the rebates on here. I might be overlooking it. Y'all let me know if y'all see it. No sunroof. And it is a manual. So it should be a little cheaper than that if it's a manual, because manual cars are usually cheaper than automatic from my search history of looking at cars. They still got this in here. I don't want to see that. They got a 392 shaker over here. This is the same one that was outside from my last video. They decided to put this inside. And that's a manual also. Alright, so y'all listen. Comment down below if y'all think that Dodge should give me a job here, because I'm here all the time putting their videos, well, their cars in my videos, so it's like free promo for them because I have brought them some business. So listen, if any of y'all from Dodge watching my video, like, what's up? Where my chicken? But yeah, I am at Crown Dodge in Fayetteville, just in case any of y'all are wondering. This is where I got both of my Scatpacks from, and my car salesman was Sam. My salesman that got me the first car, he got me a great deal also. He don't work here no more, but make sure when y'all come here, y'all ask for Sam. And also y'all follow him on Instagram and YouTube at smoothhemi_392, because we finally convinced him to make a YouTube channel. Oh, and make sure y'all go to slimepack.store to get y'all some of that slime pack merch. Excuse the wind noise. I'm right now recording with my phone. I wanted to save the battery on my camera. The inventory got pretty low real quick because that whole section was filled up. This was filled up. Everything over here was filled up. So yeah. So Sam, let me ask you something.
What's going on? Talk to me.
Listen, let me come over here.
Oh snap! I feel like you about to ask me something.
So with the virus, you know, starting back to get bad.
Yeah.
What that mean for the market? It's about to be a seller's market again.
I believe it's gonna be a seller's market again, cause like I said, when the first virus, well, not the first virus, but when Corona hit the first time, basically, you know, everything shut down. So the Dodge factory shut down, so they was out of used vehicles. They weren't producing nothing, so I think it's gonna be back to a seller's market. Probably so, most likely, because you know, you never know, especially with everything going on right now. I think it's gonna be a seller's market again.
And it's getting back worse.
Yeah, it's worse. It's supposed to be going back inside too.
So listen, y'all, save that car.
Save the car.
And this might sound bad, but you know, I say give it about another month or two.
I say about 2 months. 2 months from now,
Mm-hmm.
especially around Thanksgiving time, most likely Thanksgiving time.
Right. Then
it's gonna be pretty bad. So we gonna see.
So the media boosted up to say,
Yeah.
you know, that's what they do to rush people into doing stuff.
At all times, you know, they try to get you hyped up about anything. So
Not saying don't take it serious, but
yeah, nah, it's serious, but just make sure you know you on your P's and Q's. Dot your I's, cross your T's at all times.
right. So let them know when you're gonna like drop your videos.
So I'm dropping videos every Friday at 8 o'clock Eastern time. I don't know what's that Pacific.
You know, it changes whenever I time.
I was about to say. So I'm dropping a video every Friday at 8 o'clock. So basically it's gonna be showing you different things, like I said, from the dealership standpoint, car scene standpoint, day in the life of me, basically everything, you know, ins and outs, odds, everything like that. So every Friday, 8 o'clock, starting out, it's gonna be aired out to YouTube. So make sure you guys go like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, SmoothHemi_392. It's gonna be right there under the video. Make sure y'all go like, comment, subscribe to Scatpack392. Make sure y'all go sign up for her giveaway too. Cause what you doing, a GoPro, right?
GoPro 9.
giveaway. Yep. So I'm even trying to sign up. I'm trying to get that free. That's free. And also I'm doing a giveaway too. So at 500 subscribers, I'm doing a free giveaway as well. So make sure you go run that subscribers up. It's only up.
You must be a subscriber. Like, come on, you can't jump on this train for free. You gotta be a subscriber. Number 2, you gotta go to Scatpack.store and get anything off the website. Purchasing whatever on the website will automatically enter you into the database to win the camera. Also, enter in your email. I think it automatically requires you to enter your email, so you will receive your tracking order and everything for when you order the t-shirts. So that's how I will be contacting you, by email. There will be a video saying that I have picked the winner. Number 3. What's number 3? Just comment on every video, watch every video, like every video. That's all I ask. Number 1, subscribe to my channel. Number 2, go to Scatpack.store and purchase anything off the site. I need y'all support just like y'all need my support. Watch, like, and comment on every video. That's all I ask.